Ladies and gentlemen, let's moving forward for the awards. And one by one, I'm going to call. Please cheer louder so that actually you have worked hard for this. And this is your moment to appreciate, to celebrate. So on the note of this, I'm going to invite the very first award over here. In the category of the NGO Impact in MHM Award, Vatsalya Foundation for the initiative titled Project Sakhi, working towards the menstrual health of women. Requesting anyone is from the Vatsalya Foundation, please kindly come on stage. The initiative focuses on the awareness, access and affordability of the hygiene products for all, especially women and the girls in the rural and underserved areas. Its main objective is to promote menstrual hygiene and education, display myths, taboos, and ensure that every woman can manage menstruation safely and with dignity. Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hand together for Vatsalya Foundation. Can we do the clapping more louder? Thank you so much. Many congratulations for your hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to call the next category, NGO Impact in MHM Award. And again, we have a winner, SP Seva Sansthan Foundation, SPSS Foundation for the initiative, the title of the menstrual health and the hygiene management, empowering women through the awareness and support. The objective is to educate the rural and slum area women, adults and girls about the menstrual health and promote eco-friendly reusable products and the break myth through open discussion, reach 50,000 plus women and girls through 700 plus workshops, improving menstrual health and awareness with the confidence. Give it a hand once again for SPSS Foundation. Now please welcome in the same category of NGO Impact in MHM Award, and the award goes to Titli Foundation for the initiative titled Breaking the Taboo, Promotion and Education of Sustainable Menstruation. Titli Foundation is Breaking the Taboo initiative is dedicated of promoting awareness, education and acceptance of sustainable menstruation. The program aims to normalize conversation around periods, dismantle long-standing stigmas and the power menstruators with the knowledge and resource to make the informed and eco-friendly choice. In the same category, we have the next awardee, NGO Impact in MHM Award, and the award goes to Ayan Charitable Trust for the initiative titled Adolescent Health and the Wellbeing Initiative, AHWI. Give it a hand and let's welcome them. Ayan Adolescent Health and the Wellbeing Initiates, AHWI, promotes the menstrual hygiene, nutrition and the mental well-being through awareness, education and empowerment using interactive story-based and the culturally sensitive workshop. AHWI has conducted 60 plus programs reaching over 6,000 adults and girls in Uttarakhand, Haryana and NCR. Give it a hand once again. Now it's time for the next category. The next category is Social Enterprise Excellence in MHM Award. And the award goes to Bala for the initiate the title Menstrual Solidarity Initiative. Give it a hand, let's welcome. Since 2018, Bala's mission has been to educate and to empower communities about the menstrual health and hygiene. Striving to reach every corner of India, Bala have reached over the 2 lakh beneficiaries across communities, enabling informed, dignified menstrual health choices. Give it a hand, everyone, for Bala. Now, the next category is Social Enterprise Excellence in MHM Award. And the award goes to Pad Care Labs for initiative titled Menstrual Waste Management Initiative in the Hoskate, KR Puram, and funded by the Asharya Hasta, trusted and implemented by the Pad Care. Give it a hand and let's welcome Under the Nirmal project initiated by the AHT, Padcare successfully implemented a menstrual waste management initiative at the 106 schools, Bangalore in March 2024. This initiative involved the installation of 205 pad care bins and providing the sustainable and hygiene solution for menstrual waste disposable. Through this project, we are impacting more than 11,800 female students. Such a great initiative. Now, the next category is CSR Leadership in MHM Award. And the award goes to CIE Automotive India Limited for the initiative titled Project SeniSafe. Please give it a hand. Let's welcome them. The initiative prevented in 2020 22.5 lakh disposable pads from the landfills and the saved 54 lakhs with the institutional support from the PCMC and Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Health Department. Over 3 years, it will impact 22,500 women and girls, advancing SDG 3, 4, 5, 8 and 12, improved health, education, gender equality, decent work and environment and sustainability. Give it a hand once again for CIE. Now in the same category, we have the next winner, Prayas Trust NAI Umang Faridabad. Please give it a hand. Let's welcome a woman lead social arms of L&T. Prayas Trust, as a part of the commitment towards the social welfare, has been actively working in the field of the menstrual hygiene of the adolescent girls and women. Over the past 3 years, the Trust has been building an ecosystem that encourages girls to come forward without hesitation to discuss their resolved menstrual hygiene concerns. To date, the program has reached nearly 3,000 women and girls, spreading the women message, and the hygiene is my right. Please give it a hand for the Prayas Trust, Nai Umang Faridabad. Many congratulations and keep doing this hard work. Now it's time to call the next awardee in the same category, and the award goes to Red Express Hygiene. Give it a hand, let's welcome them. Red Express Hygiene. Is there anyone from? There we have. Well, Red Express Hygiene, founded by the KNV Bhanu in 2017, is a social innovation dedication to the menstrual health, hygiene, education and sustainability. The initiative focuses on the breaking taboos and transforming menstruation into the celebration through the creative, relatable and the engaging awareness session. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it a hand for the Red Express Hygiene. Clapping all together. It is a celebration time. Now, in the category of MHM Championship Award, and we have the winner is Green Pencil Foundation for Initiate titled Periods of Pride and Sustainable Practice Workshop. Give it a hand, let's welcome them. Periods of Pride and Sustainable Practice Workshop are the flagship initiative of the Green Pencil Foundation, founded by the Sandy Khada and promoting menstrual health and the environmental sustainability. Periods of the Pride focus of the engaging period poverty and breaking taboos by the educating girls and menstrual hygiene and promoting reusable cloth pads. It empowers young girls with knowledge, dignity, access to the eco-friendly menstrual products, reducing plastic waste from the single-use pads. Once again, please give it a hand for the Green Pencil Foundation. Many congratulations. Now, it's time to call the next awardee in the same category. MHM Champion Award. And the award goes to Sudhisha Foundation for the initiative titled Masik Sakhi. Give it a hand, let's welcome them. Over the past 5 years, Sudisha Foundation have led extensive menstrual hygiene awareness and sanitary pads distribution drives under the Masik Sakhi Abhiyan, covering more than 500 plus villages, schools and Anganwadis on initiative has created lasting impact by desanitizing and educating over the 20,000 individuals about menstrual health and hygiene practices. Congratulations. Now everyone, in the same category we have the awardee. Please give it a hand, let's welcome Hamjoli Foundation for the initiative titled The Period Lounge. The Period Lounge is a unique and the first of its kind initiative designed to make the conversation around the menstruation open, informed and stigma-free. Is a fun, engaging way. It creates safety inclusive space where girls and women learn about the menstruation through the experience, interactive and the live demonstration dialogue, not the lectures or taboos. Please give it a hand for the Hamjoli Foundation. Now everyone, in the same category, MHM Champion Award, and the award goes to Kamakhya Health Organization for the initiative titled Non-Menstruator, Let's Talk About Periods. The objective is to build the understanding, empathy and gender sensitivity by reframing menstruation as the shared family and social responsibility. As immediate contacts for the mothers, wives and sisters, their awareness is to key to last change. Over 5,000 direct and 500 indirect beneficiaries across the 7 villages, 41 districts and 17 states for the 4 countries have been reached. Give it a hand for the Kamakhya Health Organization. Now everyone, we have the next category, Innovation and Solution Leadership in MHM Award. And the award goes to Nishkam Innovation LLP for the initiative titled the Biodegradable Sanitary Pads from Subtil. Give it a hand and let's welcome them. So Nishkam Innovations is the transforming menstrual hygiene through scientific and sustainable innovation. Our initiative to address the 2 major nations' challenges, unsafe menstrual hygiene and agriculture subtle, burning by the converting crop resides and into the biodegradable sanitary pads. Many congratulations. Now, the category is the Innovation and Solution Leadership in MHM Award, and the award goes to Kshitij Foundation for the initiative titled Anandi Room, Period Friendly Room and Toilet Project. Anandi Room has launched in June 2023 as a part of the Bleed the Silence program, and the Anandi is a happiness room for the Solanki Bai Routes Arts and the Commerce College at the Vanoja, Washim district and Maharashtra, and the 4 other locations addresses critical challenges faced by the menstruating students. Many congratulations, Kshitij Foundation. In the same category, we have the next awardee, Anubha Group, for the initiative titled India's First Designer and the Innovative Hygiene Products. Please give it a hand, let's welcome them. Anubha Innovations. The social innovation wings of the Anubha Groups and the women-led this social enterprise is transforming menstrual health management (MHM) through this research-driven sustainable innovation established in 2021, and the initiative aims to provide the high-quality reusable menstrual hygiene products and designed to customize, absorb based the blood flow and the body weight. Many congratulations once again to Anubha Group. Now the next category is Excellence in IEC Awareness in MHM Award, and the award goes to Seva Ruler for the initiative titled Menstrual Hygiene Corners. Give it a hand, let's welcome them. Menstrual hygiene corners have been developed at the Seva Ruler and provided across the Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalayas and boarding schools throughout the Gujarat. in more than 200 plus government adolescent-friendly health clinic, AFCH, and this initiative is also supported by the UNICEF. Give it a hand once again for Seva Ruler. Many congratulations. Everyone, can we have now? It's time to call the next awardee in the same category, and the award goes to Mission Lal Rang for the initiative title Mission Lal Rang Pad Bank. Can we have the awardees here? Give it a hand, let's welcome them. Mission Lal Rang, our initiative include the distributing the pads across the slum clusters and running a boy awareness cafe on the menstrual health, conducting schools and college workshop launching and the Poshan Wali, God Bharai and progress of the pregnant women, preparing COVID-19 kits and training Anganwadi workers on hygiene. Give it a hand once again. Now, everyone, is a new category, and the category is Sustainability and Eco Impact in MHM Award. And the award goes to Ayurogya Sokhyam Foundation for the initiative title Care, Campus Action and Reusable Essential. We have, please give it a hand, let's welcome them. The project care of the campus section of the Reusable Essential in the Sokhyam Foundation and youth-led initiative, the objective of to reduce the campus sanitary waste and the foster informed dialogue on the menstrual health and the climate action among students. Care is implemented through the awareness session, peer educator training and the campus ambassador network. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it a hand for the Sokhyam Foundation. Thank you so much. Now, in the same category, and the next awardee is the Aas Sangani Sanstha Sagar, MP for the initiative titled Masik Na Pade Bhari, Swasth Rahe Nari. Please give it a hand and let's welcome them. So, well, its core objective is to empower the women and the adolescent girls with the knowledge of the confidence and the access to the eco-friendly menstrual solution while promoting the holistic health awareness. A key initiative of the Aas Sangani is promotion is the reusable sanitary pads, which is distributed along the practical demonstration to encourage empowerment and the friendly affordable menstruation practices. Give it a hand, let's welcome Aas Sangani Sansthan Sagar. Everyone all together, as since we have few more awards are left. So the next category is Best Practices in MHM Award. And the award goes to Humanify Foundation for the initiative titled Happiness Express, a national-wide movement for the menstrual and mental health awareness. Give it a hand, everyone, and let's welcome them. Under the vision of the leadership of the Sri Niraj Khera, has been the driving the Happiness Express movement, one of the India's largest grassroots initiative focused on the menstrual hygiene awareness and mental health and the gender sanitization. Since 2018, the organization has conducted over 450 free sessions across 24 states, directly reaching 1.6 lakh beneficiaries. Give it a hand once again. Now, it's time for the next award in the same category. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it a hand and let's welcome Sahas for the initiative titled Cycle of Change. Give it a hand and let's welcome the awardees over here. The initiative promotes the sustainable menstrual hygiene by the engaging women and the girls across social economies and background through the awareness session in college, communities and the workplace. In collaboration with the SDH, Anganwadi and ASHA workers, it has reached 7,560 menstrual directly in the distributed 2,139 menstrual cup and cloth pads over 1,200 beneficiaries. Give it a hand once again for Sahas. Now Last but not the least. Okay. As I said, last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, in the same category of the best practices in MHM awards, and the award goes to Paddling Foundation. Paddling Foundation is the youth lead initiative working to make sure menstrual health to more inclusive, informed, and stigma-free. Paddling Foundation is a set of the manufacturing unit run by the underprivileged women and the daughters of the sex workers. Produce reusable cloth pads offering both livelihood and dignity. To counter misinformation, Paddling Foundation has launched 7-month certification course that train individuals to become the certified menstrual educator. Paddling Foundation also use the creative advocacy from the period rap song. Give it a hand once again. And we have one more. Yes, one of the awardee, they were not that time over here, but now I think. Please loudly and proudly, and please give it a hand and let's welcome in the category of NGO Impact in MHM Award. And the award goes to Titli Foundation for the initiative titled Breaking the Taboo, Promotions and Education of Sustainable Menstruation. The Titli Foundation's Breaking the Taboo initiative is dedicated to promoting awareness, education, acceptance of sustainable menstruation. The program aims to normalize conversation around periods, dismantle long-standing stigmas and power menstruators with the knowledge and resource to make the informed, eco-friendly choices. Many, many congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for such a great, great day. Everyone, first of all, thank you so much for your patience, for your time that you're giving the whole day. We have listened, shared, and I think we got the solution for so many effective problems, I think, around the world. Over here, we can see people are not able to talk about the periods openly. But in this session, I can see the men can talk, the women can talk. And I think the India can talk, and that's how we can say, I am the change, we create the change.